Hi, this is Moumita Rahman, the immigration attorney helping you navigate the complex world of immigration. Today, I want to talk to you about the money aspect of a fiancé visa and whether and how much money you need to make in order to sponsor your fiancé for a K-1 visa. How much money do you need to make in order to bring somebody here on a K-1 visa? As the U.S. fiancé, you do need to show that your income is at a minimum level dictated by the government, and you have to fill out the I-134 affidavit of support. You have to prove that your income is at least 100% of the poverty guidelines. What is the purpose of this? The purpose of this is to prove to the government that your fiancé will not become reliant on public benefits and become a public charge. This is extremely important because the government does not want people to come in and use these resources. So, how much money do you actually need to sponsor somebody for the fiancé visa? In order to figure this out, you first have to determine what your household size is, and then you need to look at the poverty guidelines to make sure that you're making at least 100% of that income level for your household size. A good rule of thumb is that the more dependents and children that you have, the higher that your income needs to be. But to give you a baseline level of how much income you need, if you have no children and no dependents, you need to make at least a minimum of $17,000 as of this year. If you live in Alaska or Hawaii, or if you're in the military, your income might be different. However, if you're making less than $17,000, then you may not qualify. So what can you do if your income is not enough and you're not earning enough wages? If you're not earning enough wages, then you might be able to use other assets such as checking and savings accounts, stocks, real estate, or a retirement fund. You must be able to show that these resources are liquid or easily converted to cash, and therefore you might be able to make up the difference between your wages with these resources. One very important thing to note is that the I-134 affidavit of support is a legally binding contract between you and the government. Should your fiancé take certain public benefits, such as Medicaid or food stamps, the government will be allowed to seek reimbursement from both you and your fiancé. This is why it is always a good idea to consult with an attorney for an evaluation of your case to understand whether your income is enough and whether you qualify to bring your fiancé here on the K-1 visa. So if you've ever been confused about the income level or what you have to do to prove that you can support your fiancé here, leave me a comment and let me know what your experiences have been. If you found this video helpful and you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for the latest videos. I'm Moumita Rahman, the immigration attorney helping you navigate the complex world of immigration. See you next week. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. For proper legal advice on your case, please call us to set up a consultation.